Let's break down the standing dumbbell bent over row to bicep curl, a compound exercise targeting the back and biceps by combining two exercises into one. If you're short on time, this combo exercise is an efficient way to burn calories and grow the biceps. However, the drawback is the weight may be too light for your back, thus limiting back muscle growth. If you have time and the goal of muscle growth, keep these two movements separate. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, and hold a dumbbell in each hand with the neutral palms facing your thighs grip. With your core contracted, slightly bend your knees, hinge forward at the hips, and keep your back straight to get into a bent over position. Pull the dumbbells towards your torso, keeping your elbows close to your body and squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top. Lower the dumbbells back down to the starting position in a controlled manner. While staying bent over, keep your elbows stationary as you curl the dumbbells towards your shoulders while rotating your wrists to a supinated palms up grip. Under control, slowly lower the dumbbells back down, then immediately transition back into a row. Remember to engage your core to protect your lower back throughout the exercise. Continue alternating movements and repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.